Hello everyone, today, we're talking about one of the most legendary footballers to ever grace the field, the magician himself, Ronaldinho. From his incredible skills to his charming smile, we're covering everything about his life and career. Let's dive into the journey of this football icon. Welcome back to our channel Facts for You. Let's get started. Ronaldo da Assis Moreira, better known as Ronaldinho, was born on March 21, 1980 in Porto Alegre, Brazil. His father, João Moreira, was a shipyard worker who also played amateur football. His mother, Dona Miguelina, was a nurse and supported his dreams. Ronaldinho's older brother, Roberto da Assis Moreira, was also a talented player who became Ronaldinho's first mentor. Due to injuries cut Roberto's career short early. At just 13 years old, he scored 23 goals in one game. Yes, you heard that right, 23 goals. That's when people realized this kid was something special. Ronaldinho's professional career started with Grêmio, a top Brazilian club, in 1998. It didn't take long for the world to notice his incredible skills. The way he dribbled, his tricky moves, it was like watching someone play street football, but on the biggest stage. European scouts couldn't look away. In 2001, Ronaldinho made his big move to Europe, joining Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, in France. While at PSG, Ronaldinho's reputation as a football magician grew. His free kicks, dribbles, and overall flair on the field were jaw-dropping. But one club had its eye on him more than anyone else, FC Barcelona. This is where Ronaldinho became a global superstar. In 2003, he moved to Barcelona, and what a time that was for football fans. His time at Barcelona is legendary. Ronaldinho wasn't just playing football, he was dancing with the ball. His dribbling, tricks, and no-look passes were unbelievable. He won the FIFA World Player of the Year twice, in 2004 and 2005. And here's something you may not know, one of his most iconic moments happened during a Barcelona-Real Madrid game. Ronaldinho was so good that day, he got a standing ovation from Real Madrid fans. Can you imagine? Rivals applauding him. Ronaldinho didn't just shine in club football. He also had a huge impact on the Brazilian national team. In 2002, he helped Brazil win the FIFA World Cup, alongside other legends like Ronaldo and Rivaldo. Remember that stunning free kick goal against England in the quarterfinals? It left everyone speechless. Here's a fun fact, that free kick wasn't just a lucky shot. Ronaldinho actually practiced those kinds of shots regularly. So, when he pulled it off in the World Cup, it was pure skill. Let's dive into some things you might not know about Ronaldinho. Did you know that before becoming a football superstar, Ronaldinho almost pursued a career in futsal? Futsal is an indoor version of football, and it's where he developed a lot of those lightning-fast footwork skills. Also, Ronaldinho has a huge passion for music. After he retired, he dabbled in releasing songs and worked with several Brazilian artists. So, not only was he a wizard with the football, but he could carry a tune too. He has been romantically linked to several women over the years. One of his most well-known relationships was with Brazilian dancer Janina Mendes, with whom he shares a son, João Mendes. Born in 2005, João has followed in his father's footsteps, pursuing a career in football. Ronaldinho is known to be very proud of his son, though he's kept João out of the limelight to protect his privacy. After leaving Barcelona in 2008, Ronaldinho joined AC Milan. He still had flashes of brilliance but couldn't keep the consistency he once had. By 2011, he returned to Brazil and played for Flamengo and Atlético Mineiro, where he helped them win the Copa Libertadores in 2013. In 2018, Ronaldinho made headlines due to reports that he planned to marry two women, Priscila Coelho and Beatriz Souza, whom he had been dating at the same time. While these reports generated a lot of buzz, Ronaldinho later denied the rumors, calling them exaggerated. But all good things come to an end. In 2018, Ronaldinho officially retired from football. But just because he's off the pitch doesn't mean he's out of the spotlight. Ronaldinho has kept busy since retiring. He's been a football ambassador, made appearances in charity matches, and even launched his own clothing line. In 2020, Ronaldinho and his brother were arrested in Paraguay for using fake passports. They spent time in jail but were released after several months. Despite the legal hiccup, Ronaldinho still spreads joy wherever he goes, and his smile is just as infectious as ever. Ronaldinho's legacy isn't just about winning trophies or awards, it's about the magic he brought to the game. He changed the way football is played and watched. His style inspired a generation of footballers, including Lionel Messi, who once said that Ronaldinho was like a big brother to him at Barcelona. Even today, his influence can be seen in the tricks and creativity of young players. Ronaldinho may have retired, but his legacy lives on. He wasn't just a footballer, he was an artist with the ball, and best entertainer, someone who played with a smile and inspired millions. For fans around the world, Ronaldinho will always be the player who brought joy to football. Let us know in the comments which Ronaldinho moment was your favorite. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other football lovers.